코로나 전에 저는 모로코에 여행을 왔었어요. 근데 너무 좋은 거예요.
So
여기서 살고 싶어요.
before the pandemic hit, I came to Morocco and I really, really liked it. So that's why I decided to open a shop, because I was thinking about what I could do here, and that's how Noble
어떻게
Wife
하면
came
일을
to
할 수
be.
있을까 여러 가지로 또 일을 찾다가 지금 이렇게 가게를 오픈하게 됐어요. 우선 저는 스타일리스트고 그리고 또 제가
Well, first of all, I'm
좋아하는
actually a
스타일이
stylist, so
한국적인
I thought that was more
스타일이에요.
my thing.
그리고
Not only
한국에는
that,
이런
but
말이
also I
있어요.
wanted to go for
한국적인
something
것이 가장
that would not
세계적인
disrupt the already
그래서
existent
저는
businesses
이
here in
모로코의
Morocco of the
디자이너들이
locals.
많이
And
만드는
as a
모로코의
Korean,
전통
I felt
의상이나
that that would be
아니면 그런
best, that go in with Korean
내가
traditional
좋아하는
wear
모로코
and
사람들의 비즈니스를
Korean
내가
traditional wear inspired
방해하지 않으면서
outfits would
잘할 수
be
있는 이제
be
나만의
better.
스타일을 만들. 생각이 있어요. 생각이 있어요.
I am
그래서
interested in making a fusion collection because I really, really enjoy and I really like Moroccan embroidery and the details. I really think that Moroccan people are very talented people. You know, women are able to embroider and sew clothing in a very beautiful manner, and I also really like the style, so I definitely want to come out with a collection that would fuse both cultures. I would love to collaborate with local artists, local designers, and local craftsmen in order to make my vision come to life. I feel like that would be a very fruitful experience. I actually really like Moroccan cities. They're all have their own charm. To be honest, if it was possible, I would like to make a space everywhere around Morocco where there are these people that enjoy and show their love for Korean culture, so that they would be able to experience it.
주저하지 마시고 어려워하지 마시고 언제든지 들러주셔서 같이 이야기하시고 또 경험해 주시면 좋을 것 같습니다. 감사합니다.